So I heard a noise in here. I thought like shaking noise like that. I thought like a door opening. That my computer. I want to know how do I get rid of my vegetable. I know I don't get born it. No, I have to wrap it in something, but I don't know how. I do not know what go on the house now on. I don't know if I brought something in here when I went to Cave Hill. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated.